The Focolare Movement, also known as the Work of Mary, is a global Catholic movement founded in 1943 by Archbishop to promote unity and universal brotherhood, inspired by the prayer, "May all be one." The movement's members are guided by spirituality of love, living in community, and engaging in dialogue and social initiatives worldwide. The Focolare Movement arrived in Uganda in the 1960s through Father Tamel and Father Kalibbala, and today they have communities across the country with a strong presence in Kampala, Masaka, and other Focolare Movement in Uganda celebrated 60 years of existence, and the celebrations were held at Namugongo Martyrs Catholic Shrine with a Holy Mass that was animated by the Archbishop Augustine Kasujja, who encouraged the faithful to love everyone unconditionally.
The founder of the Focolare Movement, Kiara Rubich, who died in 2008, meditating on the prayer of Jesus, "May they all be one," which comes from John 17, was totally convinced, as she used to say, that we are born for unity. That is our vocation. Therefore, love everyone without distinction or race. In every suffering, see the face of Jesus forsaken and love him there. And be a presence of peace wherever you are. It is always that commandment of love that returns to Jesus. It is always that fulfillment of that commandment of love that returned also to Kiara Rubich when she felt that inspiration to begin this movement for the service of the church.
His Grace also asked the faithful to love and protect the nature, which is a symbol of kindness.
Love the nature that God has given to you and the environment. Every time you pick up a piece of paper thrown away, abandoned, or an empty bottle, especially a plastic bottle, abandoned in a compound, it's an act of charity to the one who cleaned that compound.
Dorothy Hairi Sonko, a member of Focolare Movement in Uganda, says that the movement seeks to deepen love and unity across Uganda.
The Focolare Movement has over the decades taken root in Uganda through small communities, volunteer initiatives, youth programs, and interfaith dialogue. At its core, the movement seeks to deepen mutual love and unity among diverse people across cultures, generations, and faith.
Jay, a Focolare member from Philippines, extended his gratitude to Ugandans and the rest of Africa for working and celebrating this milestone with him.
For Uganda, I hope that we continue being witnesses of God's love and God's unity, putting into practice the gospel, reaching out more people, and being bridges also to different cultures, different backgrounds, different areas of the society. I am very, very happy to welcome everyone coming from different parts of Uganda, but also from different parts of East Africa and beyond Africa to celebrate 60 years of our love and unity of the community here in Uganda.
Living this way for nearly 30 years, I've really learned to be more accommodative of people. We find in our workplaces a lot of different kinds of people. We encounter let's say in our neighborhoods or in our families, a lot of different challenges. But with this charism that I have been a part of, it has really helped me to cope with those kinds of different situations. But more importantly, it helps me to really live my faith in a practical way, because deepening this word of life month after month, we get this opportunity to really see the word come alive.
Frank Ambiro, UCTV News.